Cutting tool plays an important role in metalworking. Cutting tools are made of different kinds of material. Tungsten carbide is one such material. Now, cutting tools are used in different kind of industries, be it aerospace or be it an automotive industry. Each cutting tool has its own different kind of parameters and characteristics. How this is achieved? TaeguTec, a multinational company who are manufacturers of cutting tools for various kind of applications. They are serving India from 25 years. And with me is Dr. Ramesh of IMC Sourcing.
TaeguTec is a very leading cutting tool manufacturing company which is belonging to the IMC group, and we have manufacturing facilities across the globe. In India, we are operating for the last 25 years, and we supply the cutting tools to every industry which is serving to our customer, be it automotive, aerospace, or general engineering, or shipbuilding, or any other industry. TaeguTec is offering cutting tool machining solutions to all our customers to meet their continuous emerging demands. TaeguTec produces a variety of cutting tools which meet the different cutting tool applications across different industries. All the tools are made with a different exotic material. We start with the tungsten carbide, and we go up to the ceramic and the thermates and other materials. But every engineering application requires a different special characteristics on the products, because the engineering application requires different demands on the wear protection or the performance outcome. So we apply different coatings which are all tribological in nature, which give a very good wear resistant characteristic, which will finally give a enhanced cutting tool performance to the customer. We have the suppliers like Oerlikon Balzers. They offer this type of solutions to us. For example, for machining of a turbine blade application, which is made up of an exotic material, we use the coating of Oerlikon Balzers in the name of Durana coating, which has produced extensive, extraordinary results in our cutting tool application, and the customer is excited about receiving this type of results. And be it in the other application like our wall sheet machining application on the internal combustion engine, we have used the coating of Balzers, the Ticino type of coatings, where it has given extensive results to our customer.
Average size of human hair is 90 micron. But what if I tell you the thickness of coating provided by Oerlikon is from 2 to 7 micron, which enhances the productivity of cutting tool by multiple fold times. And for TaeguTec, it was Oerlikon. With me is Mr. Arun Govindan.
We are very proud about having the association with a global player like TaeguTec. And in India, we have more than 20 plus years togetherness. As TaeguTec is a global company, we Oerlikon also global company. We have the global association with TaeguTec. And TaeguTec is offering that wide range of cutting tools for the different type of application and all other industries. So we are very proud that we are offering all coating services to TaeguTec. For know more about TaeguTec tools, please visit the hall at Hall 3A for IMTEX Hall, and we Oerlikon, we also having the hall at 3B. Once again, I welcome everyone to visit our hall. Thank you.
When technology experts come together, the challenges get solved and the customers are benefited. What's your challenge? Note down your every challenge and visit Oerlikon and TaeguTec at IMTEX 2025 at Hall 3.